Update on the square body because you guys haven't seen it in a little bit. Got new cab corners and rockers in. The door came in all beat to hell. I beat it out some. The corner was all rolled. Adjust this gap a little bit more here. And I just did this side. So new fenders, new rockers on this side. Cab corner. There. This door came in beat up too. The whole corner was curled way underneath. But what do you expect? Guy got me Amazon parts. Thanks, Brian. Gonna do weld in all the cab corners and rockers tomorrow, and then I gotta make that floor piece over there. I'll do that tomorrow also. Got a 400 small block in it. But we gotta get rid of the Flintstone. Just gonna put a patch in it. And I'll cut out the windows, take off this other trim, the top lights. There's a antenna up there, once filled in. Waiting on a cowl induction hood. But it's getting there. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright guys, I got this side welded up. The cab corner, rocker. Just gotta do finishing Bondo work here and this seam. Got a patch in the floor now. I'm just gonna finish welding it, and then I'm just gonna do seam sealer around that. And it's all getting bed liner spray all on the inside of the floor here. And got the door off. I had to beat this part of it out some. So once I get all the body work done here, then I'll put the door hinge back onto it, hang the door, and then get all the body work done on the outside of the door. And then get this. That way I got my gaps. I get my gaps right and get it kind of flush anyway. It's not gonna be no SEMA show truck or anything like that. He's gonna use it to take to mud parks just to show, probably go through some littler mud holes. I'm not sure what he's gonna do, but we'll see. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one. If you guys like seeing these kind of builds, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and let me know. Let me know if you like seeing these kind of builds. If so, turn on notifications so that way you can keep up with this build. Thanks, guys.